Hello friends, in last video we have seen that Mathilde and her husband they worked hard. They visited many jewelry shops to find out the diamond necklace which they had lost exactly. And in one shop they found it and it was dealing about 36,000 francs. Mathilde's husband, he had 18,000 francs, and remaining 18,000 francs he took borrowed as a loan from moneylenders. And at last they got that diamond necklace. Mathilde, she returned that necklace to her best friend, Madame Forestier, and after that they became free from that borrowed diamond necklace. But the real story began, means the sad story begin from this. After that they totally changed their lifestyle. They changed their home also for only to return 18,000 francs whatever they have taken the loan, and plus its interest also. They first that year they were something as living as a middle class, but after that taking 18,000 francs they changed their lifestyle, they changed their home, and they started to live in a poor line. They were living as a poor. Mathilde had not much experience of daily routine households, means daily work. But after dismissing their maid servant, Mathilde started to do all households. And then in the market also she was going to bring vegetables and grocery and everything. And in market also, for saving little money, she was quarreling and bargaining with the greengrocers and shopkeepers also. Sometimes there were some occasions also of quarreling with shopkeepers, and many there were occasions where also situation also was there as insult. She was doing cleaning her home as well as that line also, plus she that throwing the garbage through that on the big dustbin and everything. In this way, such that minor works also she had started to do. In the market also the same happens with her. Then next, her husband also was not so silent. After office, after her regular work, he was doing some extra work, that is overtime, in another office. For that is also for little money. And means in this way both that husband and wife they started to save the money. That in this way this couple was working hard to save the money and to return that whatever they have borrowed loan of 18,000 francs and its interest. They worked very hard and they were living very poor life. And in this way they worked hard near about 10 years. And within these 10 years that Mathilde also, whatever she was proud of about her beauty, that beauty fade away, and she was looking something near about, she leaned about oldness. And because of this only the poverty. In the afternoon, whenever Madam Mathilde she was alone at home, that time she was thinking about her past life and today's life. That she was again and again thinking about that diamond necklace. If she had not done that mistake, then she would not be today's condition. In this way, day by day, she was again thinking about herself in the sadness. At last, this couple managed 18,000 francs and its interest, and they returned back whatever they had taken that loan, and now they became free from that loan. But because of only that diamond necklace, they lost their happy 10 years, and after that they were looking very poor and very much old couple. And in this way, but at last they became happy because they became that year they returned total 18,000 francs of the loan. And in this way, one day in the market, Madame Mathilde, she looked her best friend, Madame Forestier. In the beginning, she decided to call her or not to, but at last she managed, and she gathered her courage and she called her. In the beginning, that Madame Forestier, she could not understood that who is she and who is calling to her. But because of that the appearance of Mathilde, she was looking very old poor woman, and then because of that she did not recognize her. Then Madame Forestier, she after Mathilde, she convinced her that she was her best friend Mathilde, and she showed some that symbol and everything. And then Madame Forestier, she came to know, and but she was shocked also that by seeing many changes in her. Madame Forestier also shocked. Then they were discussed here and there, and after that again Mathilde opened that the subject of diamond necklace. In the beginning, Madame Forestier, she did not understand also. She already forgot about that diamond necklace. But at last, again and again, Mathilde told her the story of that diamond necklace. Then Madame Forestier said, "Oh yes," she understood it, she recalled it. Then Madame Forestier said, "But already you have returned me that necklace, and why are you thinking about that?" Then Mathilde said that whatever you are seeing changes in me, that is because of only diamond necklace. First, Madame Forestier, she could not understand. What are you talking about? The diamond necklace, it was already written, and why are you talking about this? And what is that changes? That is also because of diamond necklace. What about? What is the relation? Then she said the total story of diamond necklace, and she told in the party time that they had lost diamond necklace, and they returned that diamond necklace. It was original, and its cost was 36,000 francs. By listening this amount, Madame Forestier was in shock, and she was totally speechless. She was by opening wide eyes, she was looking at Mathilde. Mathilde also could not understand. Why that? By seeing the gestures and behavior of Madame Forestier. And at last, Madame Forestier told Mathilde that means Madame Forestier's that diamond necklace was not original. It was duplicate, and its cost was not more than 500 francs. And The smile was in on face of Mathilde because she was happy because she was free from the loan of that diamond necklace. So that she was thinking. But when Mathilde heard the total cost and real cost of that diamond necklace, she also surprised and she was blaming to herself and she was thinking about it was a great mistake done by her, and that is because of only diamond necklace. That Madame Forestier's diamond necklace, it was duplicate and its cost was very cheap, and for that they spent 36,000 francs, and they spent that amount is not plus they spent valuable and very happy 10 years for returning 18,000 francs loan. So this is happened because of only misunderstanding about the diamond necklace.